Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking all precaution against COVID 19. Due to COVID 19, all schools are unable to conduct classes on daily basis, but our school has organized online class and followed this method so that you all students can study well at home and stay safe. In the screen, we can see that our first slide is about our GK subject. The next slide is about our topic desert life. So, let's begin with the topic desert life, page number 7. In the next slide, we can see a picture of desert life. But before discussing about desert life, we should know about the word desert. Desert is an area without much water. It is a very hot place with lots of sand. That means it is an area where no human can survive. It is because it has less number of trees and even it is an area with less rainfall. In the next slide, we can see the different animals of desert. First is camel. Camel is also called ship of desert because it can carry goods from one place to another. Camels can survive for a long time because they have large feet that helps them to walk on the sand without any problem. Next is lizard, and there are two more types of animals we found in the desert are snakes and scorpion. First, we will talk about lizard. Lizard, snakes and scorpions hide under the sand so that they can catch their prey. Prey means food like small insects. As we can see, snakes and scorpions. Now, the next animal is fox. It also called fennec fox. They are small in size and have big ears. They can protect them from the heat because they have got thick fur and their hearing power is very strong and they can catch easily their prey by hearing their sounds. Next, we will talk about different plants of deserts. First is cactus. It consists of spines which are very painful. For example, most of us have cactus plant at our homes, but we keep that cactus plant very carefully because of the spine. Spine means needle. It can hurt our hand, it can tear our clothes. Cactus plant does not have long life. It die very easily and very fast. Next is date palm. Date palm is a kind of a dry fruit and it is also called khajur in Hindi. The benefit of date palm is that if we consume 3 to 4 date palms in daily life, it will immune our body. It will make our body healthy. Next slide is all about sand. Sand is very dry and hot. No human can live or survive on sand. It means it is very difficult for us to live over there. Next is explanation of the topic. Animals and plants which are living in desert have special abilities to survive in really hot temperature and without much water. Desert area receive less rain due to dry and hot weather. We have seen in the above slides. Now we know the plants and animals of desert area are camel, lizard, cactus, etc. Now let's begin with the questions. Here you can see some questions. Write the names of animals found in desert: camel, fox, snake, lizard and scorpion. Question 2. Write the names of the plants found in desert: cactus and date palm. Question 3. What type of landform is found in desert? It is covered with sand. Please do write these questions in your copies carefully. Next is home assignment. Write two names of plants and animals of desert area. Draw a picture of camel, fox, cactus and scorpion in your copies and color it well. Learn all the question and answers properly. Please do these exercises in your copies and learn the chapter carefully. Thank you.